Got a big update for the T6 today. Well, big update for me, one I'm quite excited about, and that is changing the wheels. So the wheels we've got on at the moment are the 17-inch Davenports, Davenports, people call them different things. These nice wheels, silver alloys, pain in the bum to keep clean. I cleaned these not long ago and they're already stinking. So we're going for some 17-inch steel GPs powder coated satin black with Wildpeak all-terrain tyres on. Bought the GPs on Marketplace, sent them down to the wheel specialists, and they've powder coated them, put the Wildpeaks on. So we're going to take the van down now, and they're going to hopefully swap all these over. So the next video you'll see is what it looks like with the new GPs, steels and Wildpeak all-terrain 235 65 R17s, and these are actually, for reference, 215 60 R17s. Now this is a T32, so really important that this load rating, which is 107 there, is over 103 for a T32, which the Wildpeaks are. And they're higher tyre and a wider tyre. Same size alloys, so, well, same size wheels, they're not going to be alloys. So we're heading off now, and I'll show you when we're back. Okay, we're back from the wheel specialist. We've picked up the GPs and they're fitted. There we go. What do we think? I think they look amazing compared to the originals, Davenports. So 17-inch genuine steely Volkswagen GPs with Falken Wildpeak tyres. Stock Type 32 suspension. Now what we found out as I drove away, they fitted them, as I drove away I could hear scraping on the front, and I was like, oh no, they don't fit, the scraping, because I know these T32s have much bigger discs on the front, and the brake calipers are tight. Look at that, there's not much space. And what they've done to balance these wheels, they'd put the weights just on the inside of the rim there, so each time the wheel went round, the lead weight that's attached to it was scraping, like click click click. I thought, oh, luckily I didn't drive very far, I went back. So they just removed those weights, put them further inside the rim, and all good. So yeah, much better ride. They fill the arches nicely, they just look a lot better. The ride is superb compared to the old Davenport 215. So there we go. So just be aware of that. If you've got a Type 32 and you're putting these on the front, those bigger discs, not a lot of clearance, they fit, but you've got to watch where they put the wheel balance weight. When I bought these, they had the old lead ones stuck on the outside here, which are ugly, and they can damage the powder coating, which is what happened to the old ones. So they used the newer version self-adhesive ones on the inside without realising that how close that clearance was. Easy fix. Luckily I didn't drive very far and it didn't damage anything, but there we go, all good. So these apparently have a maximum PSI of 40, so these are up to 38. And there we go. So they sit with a little bulge at the bottom. I suppose I could put them up to 40, but the ride's so good. Most people online are saying they keep these at 38, which is the sweet spot, and the wear's meant to be really good on them. So there we go, a big upgrade. And with the Indian grey black satin black powder coating with the Volkswagen caps, I've actually just put some ceramic coating on those while they're nice and clean, just to ease on the cleaning. They should be nice and easy to clean compared to the alloys that were on there. There we go. If you like that, check this video out next.